Hi, my name is Alexandrina and I am a watercolor artist. I invite you to explore this beautiful world of watercolor with me. In this class, we'll be painting 4 adorable baby animals: a little panda, a lamb, a bunny, and a happy piglet. These sweet illustrations can make a lovely hand-painted postcard, a charming decoration for a nursery, or simply a fun painting project to enjoy. The best part, you can paint all of these animals using just 3 colors. We'll start by creating a simple sketch and then move on to painting step by step. As your class project, you can choose to paint one, a few, or all of these animals by following my easy-to-follow instructions. Grab your brushes, prepare your watercolors, and I hope to see you in the class.